So what you making, Sarah?
I'm trying to use our last minute food. We've got 1 week left here in Florida and Panama City and trying to use our food up and not go grocery shopping. So we've got leftover shrimp from the shrimp boil at Tootsie's. I've got spices, paprika, garlic, pepper, sea salt. Alyssa's helping. Hi, Alyssa! But yep, just used up some last minute stuff. When we left California to Florida a few years ago, we came up with some interesting concoctions.
Was that good? What's that?
Olive oil. No, excuse me, coconut oil. Yeah, I use it to clean my face, but that's what we've got left, so why not? Coconut shrimp, right?
So you're basically just going to use everything that's left in the fridge.
Well, cocktail sauce, ketchup, a little bit of marinara, salsa. That'll make some good sauce, right?
Sure. Cannot wait.
Hot sauce.
Oh, God. You know, one thing I love about you is that you're a really good cook, but you're also a very creative cook. As you just dump ingredient after ingredient into this pot. Hey, Alyssa. Aw, you having a good time helping? What's in your mouth, kiddo?
Crackers.
Oh, no, what's that?
This is Phoenix Super Sauce, medium heat from our leftover.
Oh, yeah, we got these courtesy of Voodoo Chili Sauces. They sent us a sample pack to review, and all their samples so far have been pretty good, wouldn't you say?
I would say so. I'm using up the leftover ketchup.
Oh, man, you are really going to just make this tomato-y.
Well, now comes the secret ingredient, our favorite vegetable, Brussels sprouts. I've got some gluten-free pasta left over, made with corn.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I just figured they took out the gluten.
No.
So we got sauce heating going.
Yep.
We got some noodles.
Yep.
And you're going to add Brussels to it?
I am. We need some kind of green in there.
I
That's
guess so.
what we have.
Plus, we have like a lot of leftover Brussels sprouts.
Baby toys. Yay! Yay! Looking good. Time to serve.
Is it really? It's
Yeah.
already ready?
Yep.
You know, that actually looks like real pasta. You'd never know.
It is real pasta.
It's corn pasta. That's not real
Delicious.
pasta.
Look at that.
It looks like shredded cheese.
It's delicious. Put some butter, salt, pepper, garlic, and parm in there.
I gotta say, this doesn't look all that frightening. Like, it actually looks edible.
It is edible.
Well, yeah, it's edible in the sense that it's not going to kill you. The crazy thing is that if this actually turns out to taste good.
And voila!
Oh, am I to do the first taste?
Test.
What about the babies? You can do the taste test.
Aww, she looks so cute.
Oh, you do. So I like shrimp. I know this pasta is okay. I'm just a little concerned about the many flavors that went into creating this sauce. Let's see if they all go together well. That's not bad. It's a little on the ketchup side. But yeah, who'd have thought? Ketchup, salsa, marinara, and cocktail sauce could be
And
combined.
hot sauce.
And hot sauce. There's hot sauce in there. Do we have any sauces left? Did you use it all?
Yes, we do.
Wow. All right.
Next adventure.
This isn't bad. You know, as far as concoctions go, this is probably one of your better ones. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I want to see what the baby says. How is it, baby girl?
She loves the Brussels sprouts. That's her favorite part.
Yeah. Aww.
Do you like it? Yummy, yummy. Ooh, you found a shrimp.
So anyways, it was edible. And not just edible, but pretty good. If any of you guys want, Sarah's going to be producing a cookbook called Leftover Concoctions. What to do with the things remaining in your fridge. And she's going to be competing on Iron Chef coming up. Come say goodbye.
I'm chewing.
Until next time. I guess, well, you need some bread with the... hey, wait a minute. That's not gluten-free.
Yes, it is.
Well, anyways.
Until next time.
Until next time, thank you for watching.
This has been Sarah and Brian.
Sarah and Brian, or as we like to call it, Brian and Sarah.
Sarah and Brian.
Bye-bye.